Hey everyone, Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be covering the alignment and the adjustment of installing new fenders on your 99 to 04 Mustang. Before we get into this video, I do want to go over a few things. We do highly recommend having your local body shop do the final adjustments with any body panel. Experience is key here, and minor movement of these panels one way or another can change things drastically. Follow along, we'll go over the steps showing you what's all involved. First, we installed a few strips of painter's tape along the front edge of the door. This will help you eliminate any scratches on your paint job in this area. Moving to the engine bay, install all of the 3 short J-clips along the top edge of the fender. Next, install the 2 long J-clips on the inside of the door jamb area. While hanging the new fender, allow room on the front edge of the fender to engage the alignment dowel on the front header panel. Start by loosely tightening all 3 of the bolts on the top side of the fender. Use this time to check the main gap between the door and the fender. We used a simple painter stir stick to give us some room needed for this gap. Moving underneath the car, install any factory spacers or shims and loosely tighten these bolts. Going back to the door jamb area, loosely tighten both of the bolts, alternate each one of them, and double check your gaps periodically. Now we can shut the hood and check the gaps in this area. Take your time and make the adjustments as needed. This can become tedious, but overall detail is key here with the fitment of the fenders. Once you are happy with all your gaps in alignment, fully tighten down all the associated hardware. Guys, I do want to stress again that this will take time. There will be a lot of back and forth on the alignment of these fenders. Relying on your local body shop is key here if you do not feel comfortable with any of these installs. To see more how-to videos covering industry-leading parts and service, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. And as always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.